jump on in.
All right, can you sit back and make your back and your bottom touch the back of the seat? Great. The RAVA fits children between 25 and 65 pounds forward facing. We want their harness to be at or above the shoulders. So I'm gonna adjust this down a little bit for Tyler. We're going to buckle in the harness. One thing to note is that the crotch belt is coming just where he sits. It's not coming from underneath of him for forward facing. I'm gonna pull up at his waist to remove the slack and tighten the adjustment strap. And then we're gonna position the chest clip at armpit level. And then I'm gonna make sure as a final check that I can't pinch any webbing at his harness. You got a high five? Thank you. Always make sure to read and refer to your instruction manual. If you have additional questions on how to install your RAVA car seat, please reach out to our consumer service team. Thank you for choosing Nuna.